Today I want to look back at 2025 and talk about what happened in the animal world. This year was very exciting for scientists all around the world. Researchers discovered many new animal species. Some were tiny insects and some were mammals. New species help us understand how rich and diverse life on Earth is. At the same time, some species disappeared forever, and many others are now in danger of extinction. Nature is beautiful, but is also very fragile. So, new mammals discovered in 2025. Nagaso Albidance. This is a tiny shrew from northeastern India. Even though it's very small, it's incredibly fast and active. Mastella mobi. This is a new species of weasel from southwestern China. It is extremely dexterous and can hunt even the fastest moving rodents, who are difficult to find. Among the new discoveries, there were also insects and spiders. Hylis pomaco. This Hawaiian bee is completely black. It is rare among the local species and it's important for pollinating endemic plants. Pile malinoda. This is a jumping spider from India. The female was documented for the first time, helping scientists better understand the species' behavior and reproduction. Other invertebrates were also discovered. Acrophylla elta. This is a giant stick insect from Australia. It is amazing at camouflage, almost completely blending in with branches and leaves. This makes it nearly invisible to predators. Scientists also discovered a new amphibian. In Tanzania, a new species of tree toads were found. Nectophrynodus lucumeroensis, Nectophrynodus uhehe, and Nectophrynodus saliensis. They're unique because they give birth to live tadpoles. This helps them survive in dry forest ecosystems. This is only part of the list. Scientists regularly reported dozens of discoveries, including rare marine and land species. However, these findings became some of the most notable in 2025. But 2025 was not only about discoveries. Sadly, we lost several species forever. Slender-billed Curlew. This was a rare migratory bird with a long curved bill. It used its bill to find food in sand and mud. The last confirmed sighting was in 1995. It was officially declared extinct in October 2025. Christmas Island Shrew. This was a unique endemic shrew from Christmas Island, Australia. It actively hunted insects and spiders and played an important role in the island's ecosystem. The last confirmed sightings were in 1985. It was officially declared extinct in 2025. According to WWF, the population of many wild species are dropping rapidly. Migratory birds are especially vulnerable. Thousands of species are at risk of extinction. Official confirmation of extinction takes time, but every disappearance is a worrying signal. The year 2025 showed that the animal world can both amaze us with new discoveries and sadden us with the loss of species, of the need to protect nature for future generations.